Hey everyone, this is La Diva again, and I'm here with another short video. I'm showing you what I purchased today at Scrappy Chic. So, let's get started. Alright, so I got, which I think this is so cute. These are eyelets, brads, whatever you want to call them, and they're laptop and headphones. Laptop and headphones. What am I going to use these for? I have no idea, but they are so cute. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you how they look. Okay. So you have, of course, you got the little pointy sticky things. And then here's the headphones. They're so cute. And here's the laptop. I think they're cute. So, I wanted to share that. I'm going to put these right here because trying to put them back in there is going to be a headache. Rushing. And these are butterflies. Now, I got these because my mom loved butterflies. So, I decided to get these for her since Mommy's Day is coming up, as well as her birthday. So, look like this. Just a little half of a butterfly. I wonder if you put them, you know what, I'm not going to even worry about it. Be like, I wonder if I can put them together. But we're not going to figure that out right now. So, I'm going to put these right here. So, those are butterfly. And they're from the Eyelet brads. Eyelet and brads. I guess that's the name of the company. Not sure. Okay, and I finally got me some broken china Oxide spray. Now, I really want the pad, so I'm waiting on that to come in. Then I'm gonna get that. But with the Michigan collection, they used Oxide. I don't know if they used the ink or the spray. I have to find out. But anyway, I got this. And I also got white because I don't have any white spray. I really don't have a lot of spray. So I guess I'll just get a little bit at a time. So I got the white to use for like my background, sprinkle little white spots and whatnot. I got another thing of Archival Ink. I love using these when I'm coloring and whatnot. So I like that. And got me a Uni-Ball pen. Oh, see that? See that? I like that. So got me a white one. And yep, Uni-Ball pen. Uni-Ball pen. I love Prima Flowers. Have always loved Prima Flowers. When was I introduced to Prima? I don't know if it was through Marion Smith or Drew Scott. And I'm talking about back in 2008. But both of them used them. I want to say it was Marion, but for some reason I'm drawing close to Drew. But anyway, aren't these beautiful? I think these are so pretty. I think they're pretty. Probably going to end up painting the colors because, I mean, they're pretty, but if I'm making some, that's not going to go with what I have in mind. So I'll probably end up painting them. What are these? What are these? Crowns? Oh, yes. Look at this. Look at that. So we have crowns. That's what I'm going to do. Stick them in between my finger. We already got that one. Oh, they're different colors. Okay. So I told somebody the other day when they were talking about something. I said, wait a minute. Let me put on my crown. Yes, we all are queens, kings and queens, princesses and prince. So, yeah. I don't know why I got these, honestly. Oh, no, I don't know. I thought, well, whatever. It's never, no, why had they got, you know what, I thought they were cute. That's why I got them. Oh, my goodness. And, oh, I got me another silhouette mask. This is the Divers. Wait a minute, hold on, let's make a splash. Okay, so you know, people looking like they little lady, I guess, I don't know, look like they're getting ready to make a splash. They look like a mermaid tail, but yeah. So I got this, and all right, so I got my coronavirus packet for scrapbooking. Here are the things that are included in the in the package. I know I have plenty. I bought one for my mom too. Definitely going to be using this. I'm gonna have to get a scrapbook just for this quarantine, you know, experience. So so here's the paper. I'm going to see. Let's see. Usually they have it where you can open it up, you know? Oh, right here. No, okay. But I don't want to rip the paper because I want to put it back in there. So, anyway, I want to get a scrapbook just for, this is so much has been going, so much, just so much. I'm sure you all can relate one way or the other. But, oh, this is different texture. Oh, okay, my bad. Okay, so there's that. We all know about the toilet paper. It says toilet paper prices. Okay, and we all know about that. And we all know about that. And we all know about that. Oh, they have stickers. Oh, wow. That's sad. Yeah. Yeah, we experienced that. I'm currently doing that. Yes. Wait. With work. Whew. Man. And here's, oh, the paper. Okay. I like this one. Oh. This one. Like Red Cross. And this one. This is like a ledger or something. Okay. And this one. Oh, look. And wow. 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 Yeah, my niece is currently doing that. A lot of kids are doing that now. Man. Whew. Just going through these is already this right here. So much is, so many people been affected. It's just this alone right here. I mean, this one sheet is not enough, especially for what the first 2 weeks, how people were affected, especially, you know, people I knew and whatnot. But yeah, and here's another one. Oh wow, yeah. Whew. And yeah, and then there's that. So, and the reason why I didn't say much because I don't want to cry. So, wanted to share with you what I got. And I want to say I'm going to take a break on purchasing more stuff because I really want to start crafting now. But I will be lying because I need something else, and hopefully they have it in stock. And then after that, then I'll take a break from buying. So anyway, I hope everyone is good, staying safe, staying at home. I know the weather is good, but that doesn't mean we need to go out all willy-nilly and acting like we don't have to wear no mask. and social distance. So we really need to be doing that. You know, we got to take care of ourselves and the ones we love and the people we know, the ones we work with until, you know, I mean, we should be doing that anyway, but we need to continue to continue doing what we've been doing and not take anything for granted. So please, 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 if you got to go out, continue to do what you're supposed to do. Obey your governor orders. And I know people don't like that, but you know, the more obedient we are, the quicker we can get back to somewhat normalness, you know. So let's just take it easy, love on one another, be kind to one another, respectful to one another, and all that good jazz. So I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Smooches.